Hey everybody, it's Catherine. I got this new light thing to hold my camera, so still kind of trying to figure out how to use it. So I'm coming at you from my bedroom floor. For those of you that don't know me, my name's Catherine. I love all things beauty and product, and today I'm going to be doing a more detailed holiday look for you if you're looking for a new look for your holiday festivities that are going to be coming up. So the first thing, I put on a Patchology eye patch. I'm going to take that off, rub in the serum. The other one I already took off. Actually, it fell off, but anyway. Next thing I'm going to do is put on a primer. I'm using Touch Eclat Blur Primer. Never used this before, so we'll see how this goes. It's got a beautiful shimmer to it. You know, I love all things sparkle. And it smells so elegant. Has a bit of a silicone feel to it. I'm going to do my eye primer using Armani. Foundation, I'm really liking the Giorgio Armani Crema Nera in shade 3. Put it on the back of my hand, and then I like to use a sponge to apply it. Start in the center of your face and move out. Put my eye primer on. I use Fenty Beauty. Color will be in the description below. I like to do just a light layer. I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown High Bar palette. Base brush, do a bone shade. Like I said, I'm going to do more of a holiday look, so a bit more dramatic. So now I'm going to take my Armani, it's a bit of a brown, obviously one of my favorite colors, contour brush. I'm going to put it first as the most color. And coming down onto my lid, and then kind of fanning back and forth. I'm going to take the same color, same brush, and then go right along smudge that up. My blending brush, I'm going to blend it all together. Then with my same palette, I'm going to take a mix of this one with this one, and then just tap it. I'm going to go in with my concealer. I like to do my concealer after my eye makeup. Then I go in with my transparent powder. This one's by Chantecaille. I like to use a blending brush. Pick up the powder and then just dust it. Then I get my cake liner, my liner brush. I'm going to dampen my brush, and then get right at my lash line. Then I take my Benefit highlight brow pencil. And I'm just going to give myself a bit of a highlight right underneath my brow. And then right over my brow. Eyelash primer. Next thing I'm going to do is my brows. I like to use Kevyn Aucoin's pencil. I'm just going to fill in. I think it looks the most natural. Then I take a brush, go in, kind of blend it in. Apply my mascara using our forward. An intensity 1. I'm going to take the brown. I'm going to go from the hollow of my eye, the hollow of my cheek here, and then right under my cheekbone.